Welcome to the Coopers Stadium, also locally known as the Hindmarsh, home of the Reds, home of the A-League side, Adelaide United.
You can see straight into the stadium
from the point of arriving, right by the historical Hindmarsh Society building and Gate 9.
How cool is that?
One of the need-to-know things, in my humble opinion, would be how much would it cost to watch a game here? Well, the Platinum Adult ticket is $65, which in my money is about £34. Not bad.
Whilst I'm walking around the stadium, I've done a little bit of extra digging because why not? The Hindmarsh is the fourth smallest capacity stadium in the A-League with just 16,500 seats available for each and every game. And I've just walked past the corporate box. And I'm not sure what that art is supposed to be, but it's pretty cool.
Now on to the on-site club stores. There was 2 locations, both of which were closed. It is the off-season, so I'll forgive them for that, but
that has got to be one of the most depressing states of a club store I've ever seen.
Everything is just dumped into little cardboard boxes. There's no display units. There's a lot to be desired with this one. $45 for a kit though. Not bad for a holiday memento or for those kit collectors.
As venues go, I think it's quite nice. It's clean, which is a unique thing for some of the visits I've been to from stadium tours.
It does, however, come across a bit prison-like with the meshed fencing all around it. I would like to see it on a match day to see if that contrasts.
As a stadium as goes, it's quite nice. It's quaint. It's a little bit out of the way from the city. The nearest public transport is probably about a 5-minute walk. We're just on the other side of the stadium. Behind this building is the stadium. I tried to walk around, do a normal clean loop. That bird did not like I was there. I tried to do a nice clean loop at the stadium, but a lot of the area is fenced off, and that could be because it's not a match day. So that could definitely be improved, but offside of a match day. Well, that was a pun, but I didn't intend to. I've had to come like a street and a half down to head back to the same street where I started off at.